Hey there, guys. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to give a caveat on this video before I even start into it. Binance is essentially the newest and I would say most functional place to trade altcoins. I wanted to make this video on it because I've gotten a lot of questions about it recently. Anybody that does use the link that I'm going to provide in the description below, I do get a referral bonus from you. So, full disclosure, if you sign up with the link, obviously I get whatever their referral bonus program is. So I wanted to get that out of there and then cover, what I like about it as far as one of the most useful exchanges at the moment. So this is essentially one of the newest listing exchanges that allows us, U.S. customers to essentially use it to trade altcoins. You cannot convert U.S. dollars into anything in here, so you still have to use, Coinbase or whatever other service like uphold.com in order to actually buy, one of the main tokens, which would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or I think it's actually just those. They have their own token that is on here. It's also listed on, the market cap page as well that I go to, which is the Binance coin. Obviously, the explosion of the price of this coin just since August is kind of informing as far as to the fact that people are going on the site, they're using the site a lot, and they're trading a lot. So the advantage that they give you is to trade with their coin, which is the BNB token, whatever it is. But it shaves your fees in half as far as commission-wise goes. So I think that's a very easy explanation for why the price has risen, because people are continuously converting, whatever their token is that they're actually trading on the exchange here into a BNB token, and then continuously trading back and forth, buying and selling those different tokens. So obviously the price of that token will go down if less people start using the website, because people will be selling out of it, going back into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or US dollar tether. So just kind of be aware of that as well. I think that's just a market mechanics insight that you may not realize as far as to why that particular coin is rising. It's essentially because of the popularity of this website. They do have a mobile app available right now for Android, which I don't know of any other exchange that really does except for Coinbase. It's not very functional as far as the trading platform goes. Binance is pretty far ahead of the game as far as anybody else with the mobile app department as well. So just kind of be aware of that. It's pretty functional. I think at the moment, if you have an iPhone, you actually have to allow the Binance app as a trusted app in order for it to actually run. I ran into that today, and that's what I wanted to cover as well before I did the video. So just kind of be aware of that. So there's a few different options with this. You can extend out the chart to view the chart in a longer distance. You can do the different time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, blah, 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 blah. 1 hour, 1 day. So the way that I like to, as far as trade these different things, is to view the chart, as many times as possible, many different time frames as possible. So that way it gives me an idea of, where is it on the daily? Where is the weekly chart? Where is the 1 minute? Is this something that I want to buy right now, or what I want to sell right now? I'm not going to give you trading advice on anything in any of these videos that I give you. I'm just giving you my thoughts. So this is essentially a location to trade all these altcoins. They're adding some new ones every single day. The weirdest thing I find is that they're doing competitions for new coins to get added. I don't really like that, because it just shows to me that, somebody could go out to one of these other exchanges, buy up all these coins, and then have them sitting there, and then when they get listed on Binance, they can dump them into people. So that's kind of the one weird thing that I've noticed about the website. I don't really like it, but, such is the beast that if you're going to trade here, something to be aware of. Like they do competitions for different trading. I'm not really a fan of that. I would just prefer if they stuck to the simple process of, letting it be an exchange and make their money off of that. So that would be probably my only gripe about Binance. But the referral program is pretty cool. You can get a little link, send it out to anybody that you know. If they start trading, you get, I think currently 50% of their commissions, and then, which isn't a whole lot, and then they have the option to change it at any time. So be aware of that. One of the interesting things as far as the funds page goes, it gives you deposits and withdrawals listing of all the coins that you own. You can go up and down based off of the total balance of whatever you actually have in the account. That's pretty nice. They don't have a P&L, which it's not the biggest end-all be-all to me, but it allows you to view those. You can transfer and you can deposit in from different locations, and you can kind of see all that functionality of the website as well. So that's pretty nice. There's not a whole lot else that I can say about it. If there is, I'll put it in another quick 5-minute video. But for that, if you guys like the video and if you want to try and trade here, feel free to use the link in my description as well. Doesn't necessarily per se help me out, but hey, it's fun to watch getting 0.5 of a coin every now and then. So hope you guys enjoy the video.